Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you different features on ezTalk. First of all, go to the ezTalk website and sign in. If you have an account, if you don't have, obviously sign up. And we are now on the home page for ezTalk, where you find option of starting a meeting or webinar, and then also starting an instant meeting. And then we go to meetings. This one also gives you an option of starting a meeting, actually joining a meeting or scheduling a meeting, and gives you the information about the upcoming meeting, and also the history, like the past meeting that took place. And we have the webinar, which give you 100 minutes on your webinar with a participant of 25 people. And then the rooms is where you can have your meetings on various topics. You can actually have more than one room, and that if you want to do that, you have to upgrade, which will cost you some money. And then the storage, this is where you have files. You can also upload files, files, videos, and you just click here, you go to your desktop or wherever the file that you want to upload is, and then you choose it, and then you click on start upload. And then the contacts are basically people in your ezTalk contact, and if you want you can add here. And the billings, this is the tracking of bills and amounts owed. Sometimes if you don't have a free version, obviously you have a kind of like advanced one, which give you more option, and that means that you have to pay for it. And then teammates, also just kind of like a group where you have teams working on a project, and you can discuss about that using this platform. And then the support, this is where you get various help on different features, and like you see all this, they give you like information in more details. And if you want to download the ezTalk app on your desktop, you can click there, and you can choose whether you download with a Mac, with Android, Windows 7. That's basically it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.